Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and quick data gathering. First, disconnect the 12V negative and put on insulated gloves. This prevents accidental shorts. Once done, plug in an OBDROMAN 2 reader and capture any hybrid battery, inverter, or motor fault codes so you know where to focus. Make a rapid visual pass. Check high-voltage connectors, coolant level at the inverter, and the HV interlock status. These initial checks tell you whether to proceed to software resets or to open components for deeper testing. Now you move into targeted testing to isolate failures. Use manufacturer procedures to measure each HV battery module voltage and perform an insulation resistance test. Discrepancies identify weak modules. Next, check the inverter DC link voltage and monitor MOSFET or IGT gate signals while assessing motor phase continuity to spot open windings. Meanwhile, make sure inverter cooling flow is adequate. Verify coolant pump operation, heater function, and that relays engage under simulated load, because thermal issues often create intermittent faults. To finish, address the failed parts you identified. Replace or rebalance faulty battery modules and properly reseal and torque high-voltage connectors to spec. If the inverter has failed components, repair per service manual or replace the assembly, then clear stored codes and perform any required system relearn procedures so control modules adapt. After reassembly, road test while monitoring live hybrid data to confirm normal operation. If the fault returns, use the troubleshooting tip. Recheck insulation resistance and HV interlock continuity before further teardown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.